to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I'm going to apply that to my eye. Please excuse my voice. My allergies has my nose stopped up, so I apologize. And it's very hard for me to breathe, and you're going to see that in this video as well. So I'm just using an old paint pot from Maybelline, the color Tattoos. I think it's in Pure Beige, and I'm just applying that. The first color I'm going to use is Roxy. I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm just going to build this color up until I get the payoff that I would like. Now initially this color looked coral, but by the time I finished my makeup it looked orange. I'm going in with All Star. This is going to be my lid shade. This color was very hard to blend in with Roxy. Y'all, please excuse my voice. I apologize. So I'm just going to pack that color on the lid. And I'm just using a little bit and just building that color up. And as you can see, it's not blending anywhere. So I'm going in with the blender brush that came with the palette, and I'm still trying to blend All Star into Roxy, and it's just not happening. So I'm going to go back in with Roxy, and I'm going to put that in my crease again. I'm just trying to blend these two colors together because All Star is not blending into nothing, not even itself. Still trying to blend those colors together. So I'm going to go in with things like Electric. It's that green sparkly shade. I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And then I also brought it a little into my crease. Kind of like how you do the glitter for the cut crease, but this was not a cut crease look. So again, I'm just applying that. Now using this palette was not as difficult as people said, but again, I only used 3 shades out of the palette, and All Star did not blend at all. So first impressions, thank God this palette was on sale. So again, I'm just trying to blend as best as I can. I'm going to go with Fudge and put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to take Roxy and I'm going to go on top of Fudge to kind of blend it. I'm gonna have to keep playing around with this palette to see if I like it. So if you guys want like a full review on this, let me know. I know this palette is like super old. So I'm just applying Roxy on top to kind of blend it together. And I'm using the brush that came with the palette. So this is just my same everyday foundation routine, like it's in every video, nothing really changes. I'm using that Milani foundation. Oh my god, y'all, my face hurts, I cannot breathe. So thank God this video isn't too long because I don't have to talk that much longer. So I'm just working in my foundation, and I love this Eco Tools sponge. Now I can't find this particular one. I don't know if this shade is just out for the holidays, but I really like this sponge. It kind of tears up kind of quick, but I like it. Alright, so I'm going in with this Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's a little light, but whatever. So I'm just going to blend that in right under my eye. I just felt like being extra today. I don't usually do this. So then I'm just going to go in with my custom setting powder. I will tag that video on how I made it. And I'm just applying that under my eye. Now, putting the powder on the side, that's for when I place my finger right there. to do my wing liner so I don't take off my foundation. So that's why I left the powder on the side of my eyes, just in case you guys were wondering. Now I'm just putting the finishing touches on my liner. Look, y'all, I am no expert at wing liner. I suck at wing liner. I just try to make it look as good as I can. Sorry, I'm not a pro, but this is how my liner came out today, which looked halfway decent. So you guys, this is the final look. I will let you guys know if this eyeshadow lasted all day. Thanks for watching, love bugs, and I will see y'all in the next video.